Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are Bosch. Today we have an incredible festive treat for you. It is none other than
a one-tray vegan Christmas dinner.
This is going to be perfect for that one or two vegan veggie guests who are coming over. You want to make sure they're catered for.
One shelf in the oven, and that's it. So you're not going to annoy anyone with your newfound plant-based lifestyle.
Look at that. It is hard to believe that that is just plants.
It looks amazing, that, doesn't it?
Well done. I mean, it was easy, it was quick, and on just one tray in the oven, we made a whole Christmas dinner for one or two people.
And of course, it doesn't have to just be for Christmas. You could have this at any time of the year on a Sunday.
I think we nailed it there, mate.
Big up. Vegan turkey sandwiches. Perfect for Boxing Day.
That sounds incredible.
First up, we're going to take our jackfruit that we've washed under cold water. We are going to season it with a plethora of dried herbs. Sage, rosemary, bit of salt, bit of pepper. Super, super Christmassy.
Jackfruit doesn't have a lot of flavour, but it takes on flavour incredibly. Now, if you haven't heard of jackfruit, fear not, because we're going to tell you all about it.
It is the world's largest tree-borne fruit. It's equatorial in growing space.
Good word.
Yeah, equatorial. It's super nutritious, and the fantastic thing about it is the fibrous texture when you bake it. This tin just needs to now go into the oven for a total of 40 minutes, but you need to turn them halfway through.
We're gonna get on to Ian's idea, which is the chestnut puree, or is it a spread?
Or is it a stuffing? It could be one of the three. All you really need for this is one pack of vacuum-packed chestnuts that you can get from any decent supermarket, along with a little bit of dairy-free butter and a little bit of salt. Whiz it all up, and it will be really crumbly. But this is where the magic happens. Pour out the crumbs into a bowl, push them down, and they turn into this butter-like texture. It's fantastic.
It's gonna add an incredible flavour to this sandwich. Very Christmassy, it makes perfect sense. Look at this jackfruit, smells incredible. I feel like it's Christmas already.
All you need to do here now is take 2 forks and split the fibres to make that fantastic meaty texture. Mate, can't wait to eat this, I'm not lying, it's gonna be so tasty. Yeah?
Oh, it's so good. Now it's the most exciting bit. Time to build our Christmas sandwich.
Now you can build your sandwich any way you like, but this is how we like to build ours. Egg-free mayonnaise, cranberry sauce for that tanginess, chestnut spread to give it that nice earthy nuttiness, lettuce for vegan sausages, and then the pied de resistance.
Pied de resistance, the jackfruit.
Yes, the turkey jackfruit. It's an absolute revelation. You are going to love it.
This is what Christmas looks like in a completely plant-based sandwich.
Right. Oh my God.
Really good. Wow.
That's so good.
It's wonderful. It's Christmas in a sandwich. It's Bosch's vegan turkey sandwich.
A sumptuous Christmas burger.
Sounds fantastic. It's got your favorite veggie burger, plus a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and all of the flavors of Christmas.
And if you like this video, you should subscribe to the channel because we've got loads more videos just like this coming your way soon. That's so good.
It's incredible. Wow. Our Christmas burger with a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and a little bit of cranberry. Today we're going to be cooking you.
An absolutely delicious Christmas lasagna.
So what's Christmassy about it, mate?
So we've got some really beautiful Christmas spices in there. We've got some mulled wine to bring our ragu together. And I suppose we've got lots of Christmas spirit all over the top of it.
Well, that sounds amazing.
Doesn't it just?
Let's get cracking.
Spread your parsnips and carrots over the baking tray and dress it with a little bit of olive oil, rosemary and thyme. Pop those in the oven for 20 minutes, and once that's done, bring them back out, and this is the time that you put Brussels sprouts on there, which are really the most Christmassy vegetable of them all. These go back into the oven for a further 15 minutes until the Brussels sprouts have slightly started to crisp.
Now they're in the oven, we're going to make a ragu. We'll start with some olive oil and some onions, and we'll saute them for 5 minutes. We're going to really start to layer on those flavors: carrots, celery, sage, rosemary, and thyme.
Super Christmassy, super delicious, and also very healthy.
We need some mince, and for our mince, we're using mushrooms, blitzed up really fine.
We keep hearing that mushroom is the new meat, and we completely agree with that.
Next, we'll add tomato puree and cranberry sauce.
That cranberry sauce will give it a bit of a zinginess and also add a little bit of sweetness.
The secret ingredient comes next: mulled wine. Oh my goodness, what a good idea. Mulled wine in a ragu.
Cook this down nice and slow to get rid of all that alcohol, because what you're left with are those fantastic mulled wine spices. 2 tins of chopped tomatoes and some water. Pour them into the pan, bring it to a simmer and leave it there for 25 minutes.
While that ragu is simmering, we're going to make a bechamel. Add some olive oil to a frying pan, add flour, stirring gently and gradually to make a thick roux.
Once you've got your roux, start pouring in your milk. Take your time, pour it slowly, and always stir to make that fantastic thick bechamel sauce that we're after.
Next, we'll add magic dust, aka nutritional yeast, as well as
nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves. Perfect trilogy of Christmas spices for this wonderful bechamel.
And wait until this bechamel forms the consistency of thick custard. I think it's time, dude. Are you ready?
I am ready.
This is the best bit. We're gonna layer our lasagna.
Building it is the most fun part, and that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna put ragu on the bottom, then some roast vegetables on top of that, then some bechamel, and then we're gonna push down our lasagna sheets to make sure that they're really well covered in that fantastic flavour. Then we're gonna repeat.
Repeat, repeat, repeat. Build, layer, build, layer.
Make sure that when you're building your lasagna, you finish on a layer of bechamel. And then, once you've done that, spread over a few, cranberries, rosemary sprigs, some thyme sprigs, decorate it to your heart's content.
Look at that. This is ready for baking, dude.
Wrap it with a bit of tin foil, pop it in the oven for 50 minutes at 180 degrees.
Now you can't smell this through the camera, but this room smells incredible.
It certainly does. Look, I have seal flippers. Here we go.
Wow.
There we are. Oh, the layers are good. Look at the stack on that.
Christmas lasagna stacked. It's well packed, mate. Well done. Well layered.
Here we go. Let's see. Oh my God.
You happy? This is good sounds coming from Ian right now.
I love Christmas food, and I love lasagna. So couple the two together and you have a win. How good is that?
Wow, it tastes like a Christmas dinner. We've got Brussels sprouts, we've got all those spices you imagine. You can really taste the mulled wine coming through. It adds that extra depth of flavour to everything. I feel like it's Christmas already. Yes. There you have it. That is our Christmas lasagna.
So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of this wonderful content, subscribe.
And of course, drop a little comment below. Let us know what you think about Brussels sprouts, this dish, and anything else, because we respond to every comment.
Bish.
Bash.
Bosh!